Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a group chat for your Gmail application. So the first thing we have to do, open our Gmail application, and you may logged in with your account right here. So and after that, after you open it, you need to take a look on this bottom feature. So this bottom feature that will contain like several sections, but then it's just depending to the account that you logged in with, because sometimes there will only two sections right here. So the basic things or the basic sections that you have to have is this one. So to creating a to creating a Gmail group, you need to visit this part, the second sections right here, because this is a Google Chat room. So to create a group chat for Gmail is using Google Chat room. And after you visit them, go click this create a new one. Go click it and just go click create a space, and after that you just name the name of the space or the name of the group that you want, and after that you just need to go click next. Now you just need to add the people and go click done, and you are now ready to send the message into your friends. And you're done. So that is the way how to create a group chat on a Gmail. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next video.